Hi, this is Mrs. Nelson. I'm going to be showing you another subtraction strategy called adding up. It's very similar to counting up, but instead of counting by ones or tens only, I'm going to be adding up and hitting some landmark numbers. So I might jump to something that's only 4 away, or 30 away, or 56 away, and then be able to combine those distances together at the end. So I have this problem right here, 112 minus 78. And I'm going to consider subtraction this way. Subtraction is just recognizing or determining the distance between two numbers. So I can ask myself this question: how far is 78 from 112? So we're going to hit some landmark numbers along the way. So instead of counting up by tens and then counting up by ones, we're going to jump as far as we can in a way that makes sense to us. So we're going to start by just jumping from 78 to 80. And 78 is 2 from 80. So far we've gone the distance of 2. And now we're going to go from 80 to 100. I can do that pretty easily. 80 to 100 is 20. And then I can go from 100 to 112. Easy jump for me, that's just 12. And now I'm going to combine all of those. So 78 is 2 plus 20 plus 12 from 112. So it was that distance of 2 right here, plus 20 more, plus 12. And then I can combine those together. 2 plus 20 is 22, plus 10 is 32, plus 2 more is 34. So that means that 112 minus 78 equals 34. Let's do something that's a little further apart. We have 246 minus 63. So again, I can ask myself, how far is 63 from 246? And I'll hit some landmark numbers along the way. So 63 is 7 from 70. 70 is 30 from 100. And then 100 is 146 from 246. So that combined distance is that jump of 7, 30, and 146. Using the commutative property of addition, I can change this order. I don't have to think about adding 7 plus 30 and then 37 plus 146. I can add it in any direction or order that I want. So I'm actually going to add 146 plus 30 plus 7. That's the same distance as we found before, but that's how I'm going to determine how far 63 is from 246. So 146 plus 30, using counting up strategy, I'm at 146. I'm going to count up 3 tens, 156, 166, 176. And then I'm going to count up 7 more from there. 177, 178, 179, 180, 181, 182, 183. And you can't see me, but I used my fingers to count that distance. So 246 minus 63 is 183. So you can use this adding up strategy anytime you want, finding smaller distances between the numbers that are going to be easier for you to calculate mentally. You might have to jot these down. You might have to write down 7, 30, and 146 rather than trying to track all that in your brain. But that may be a lot less work for you than writing this in the standard algorithm and then subtracting and borrowing and regrouping as needed. So use this strategy how you wish. Thanks for learning with me.